Welcome, here I've got Motorola Edge 20 Lite, and let me show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Here we have to tap on this button above the shutter so we can get access to more options about the camera we can manage. With aspect ratio we are in 3 and 4, let's pick 9 and 16. As you can see, the background has changed to the longer one, so this is how it works. Another tap here, and we can also go to the full one, so for now we have full camera frame. And now let me pick it once again to go back to 3 and 4, the original one. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.